Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to do a quick tutorial, Canva tutorial, on how you can create your ebook covers for free. So if you haven't caught the previous video, it's going to be part of a mini series on how to self-publish, and part of that will be creating your own ebook, paperback, and audiobook covers. So today we're going to go through the ebook cover. Now before we start, as I mentioned before in the previous video, you need to make sure you get your ebook cover dimensions. So go to kdpamazon.com, check the dimensions, and in fact check the file type as well. So they want you to have a JPEG, and if you read this over here, the ideal dimensions is 2560 by 1600, and that is height to width ratio. So that's the height, that's the width. So once we know that, we go back to Canva, log in, or if you haven't, make sure you set up your free account and log in. And you can always look for ebook cover, but what we need to do for our purposes is to create a custom design, because we want custom dimensions. So what it was 2560 by 1600. So 2560 is the height, 2560, and 1600 is the width. And make sure you're set to pixels, okay? And I'm going to show you a little trick here. Typically we would go search for Canva templates, but what we can do is actually search for Canva templates once we've created the file. Oh, there we go, ebook cover, which I recently searched, and feel free to take a look at which one vibes with your niche or your business. So for an ebook, you may be wondering, why do I need to do an ebook if I'm just starting out? It may be that you've got experience, or you've got training, or you've delivered training, and you want to create a short ebook, just to boost your brand a bit, and you're essentially packaging what you already have in the ebook, and part of this will be the ebook cover. So let's just choose this one. This one looks good. Okay, you obviously need to change the wording. I believe we've been going with a legal niche, so let's just say legal eagles journey through fire. And we can always make it a little smaller, so instead of 100 we'll put it at 75. And for a subtitle, my casework, my case load never decreases, or we can just say caseload never decreases, and call it something appropriate for a subtitle. You might have to do some research, and this is where you would put your name as the author. So we'll just go with Mr. Jack. You can make that up. Now what's important for your ebook is you want to make sure it's the same or similar colors as your previous business card. So I got the business card open here. We want the background to be the same. That's 3F. You can see 3F. 3F4652. So for the background, so let me just move that a bit out of the way so we can get the background to be 3F4652, I believe. Yep, there we go. So there's your background, and then you can put the box of dots back to the center, and then for the middle we can always choose this color, which is, what is this, 68B0AB. So we go back and we'll type in 68B0AB, and there we go. Oh, don't forget to make sure the dots are the same color as that. So it's this one here. 68B0AB. And there we go. That is your cover. Now, obviously, you want to play around with the fonts, the size. There's a little dash here. You may want to use another color there so that matches the background. And just see what you enjoy. You know, play around with it and have a bit of fun with the cover design. And this will be completely free, and once you're done, download the JPEG, and you're good to go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, and I'll be really grateful if you subscribe to the channel. I shall see you in the next video.